Gulf Coast Shipyard Group has earned its place as one of the world's leading builders of offshore vessels built in steel, aluminum, or the two combined. With an in-house design and engineering staff, along with two facilities, one in New Orleans, Louisiana, and the other one in Gulfport, Mississippi, Gulf Coast Shipyard Group can support any of their customers' requirements. As stated by CEO John Dane, if it floats, we can build it.
Gulf Coast Shipyard Group is a diversified builder. We currently have a number of different projects under construction, the biggest being our 302-foot dual-fuel LNG platform supply vessels, which are state-of-the-art vessels, the first LNG vessels built in America. We also here in Gulfport are building 300-foot double-hull fuel barges that we're delivering a 300-foot barge every 4 weeks.
Additionally, Gulf Coast Shipyard Group builds crew boats, oil skimmers such as this rapid response skimmer, and also builds as well as repairs and refits mega yachts.
A great thing about our experience over 40 years I've been in this business, I've built almost anything that floats. So we expect to do the unexpected in the future, and we like new challenges, and we have a great engineering department that helps us satisfy those challenges.
With an in-house engineering and design department, quality workmanship and on-time delivery is the standard. As Phil Nuss explains, it allows Gulf Coast Shipyard Group to design to the customer's needs.
My main responsibility is engineering, along with program management. And for engineering, we have an in-house engineering group that really allows the company to design to the customer's needs. So that's what we're all about there. We want to build what the customer wants. And sometimes it's not just cookie cutter or a design package that you can get through a consultant. They want something unique and different that services their needs. And so that's what we have the capability of doing, is designing something from scratch for them, in-house, giving them a price, and then building it and delivering it to them.
With Gulf Coast Shipyard Group's vast qualifications to take on challenging projects, it is no surprise that they are now the leader in the industry as America's first LNG shipbuilder.
Designing an LNG vessel, when we first obtained the contract, it was a basic design that had been built several times as a base PSV. And adding the LNG component to it, it brought in so many other factors into the design that some of it was a big learning experience for us, some of it was a big learning experience for our production people as well. And the LNG design, though it was done as a contract design by STX, now VARD, it had to be finished. They took it through a contract design, did parts of it after that, but we had to take it through fruition with the shipyard. So that alone made us stay involved in it as an engineering department through the whole process, and even through conclusion now. As we get closer to delivery, we maintain that involvement, complete involvement as an engineering group, to make sure that the production facility completes the vessel and that we deliver a good vessel to the customer.
One of the other things about an LNG vessel is how unique it is and how difficult it is to get it classed and certified by both Coast Guard and ABS and classification societies. Everyone's worried about the environment, everyone's worried about safety. So we've learned a considerable amount, which I think should give us an advantage. There are a lot of people who think they can do LNG, but we're the only people in America who have done it today.
Along with the many years of expertise, Gulf Coast Shipyard Group has amazing facilities packed with top-of-the-line equipment to handle any project that floats. But as John Dane will tell you, more importantly, Gulf Coast Shipyard Group has the right people to do the job.
Gulf Coast Shipyard Group has great facilities, but facilities don't make great boats. What makes great boats is our employees. We have so many employees who have worked together over 30 years. In fact, I've worked together 38 years with our COO, 35 years with our head of engineering, our head of welding and superintendent in this yard. He and I met each other back in the mid-70s working together. So it's like a family. We work together, we take care of each other, and push each other to build the best products. But without these great people, our boats would not be what they are today. The mission of Gulf Coast Shipyard Group is to provide great vessels to our customers that exceed their expectations. We want them to get value that exceeds what they expected, so they'll come back for more. And we have a great reputation for individuals and companies as repeat customers.